10 mouth-watering recipes you must try this Eid-ul-Adha. Nalli Nihari. Nihari is a slow-cooked meat stew, and Nalli Nihari specifically uses lamb shanks. The meat is simmered with aromatic spices and served with naan or rice. Mutton Korma. Mutton Korma is a rich and creamy curry made with tender pieces of mutton, goat meat. The meat is cooked in a spiced yogurt and onion gravy, resulting in a flavorful dish. Biryani. Biryani is a flavorful rice dish that is popular during Eid. You can make chicken biryani, lamb biryani, or even a vegetable biryani. It's a one-pot dish that combines fragrant rice with tender meat and aromatic spices. Kebabs. Kebabs are a staple at Eid gatherings. You can prepare seekh kebabs, minced meat skewers, chicken tikka kebabs, or shami kebabs, lentil and meat patties. Serve them with mint chutney and naan bread. Chicken kofta curry. Chicken kofta curry features minced chicken shaped into meatballs and cooked in a flavorful curry. It's a delicious and satisfying dish that pairs well with rice or naan. Lamb pulao. Lamb pulao is a flavorful rice dish cooked with aromatic spices and tender pieces of lamb. It's a one-pot meal that is both delicious and filling. Mutton halim. Halim is a slow-cooked meat and grain stew. Mutton halim combines lentils, wheat, and tender mutton to create a thick and hearty dish. Garnish it with fried onions, ginger, and fresh coriander. Sheer khurma. Sheer khurma is a traditional dessert prepared with vermicelli, milk, dates, and nuts. It's a sweet and creamy dish that is often enjoyed after the main meal on Eid. You can add flavors like cardamom and saffron to enhance the taste. Chahi tukra. Chahi tukra is a rich and indulgent dessert made with fried bread slices soaked in sweetened condensed milk and flavored with cardamom, saffron, and nuts. It's a perfect way to end your feast on a sweet note. Kheer. Kheer is a traditional rice pudding made with milk, rice, sugar, and flavored with cardamom and nuts. It's a classic dessert loved by all and is often served during festive occasions.